English, step by step, past continuous, step 3. So now you can try some practice exercises. For these exercises, you need some paper to write down the answers. So you can see practice exercise 1. Put the verbs in the list into the correct sentences below. Well, here's the list of verbs. Do, enjoy, grow, listen, pay, snow, think, wait, and walk. So choose the best verb for these sentences. Now, you can see on the right, plus, minus, and question mark. Now, a plus sign, that means it's an affirmative or a positive sentence. A minus sign means it's a negative sentence. And a question mark means it's a question. So when you choose the verb, you have to change it into an affirmative verb, or a negative verb, or a verb with a question form. So here you have 9 sentences. Choose the verb that's appropriate for each sentence and change it, if necessary, into an affirmative, negative, or a question mark. So that's the first exercise. And here we have the second exercise, and the verbs are different. Have, improve, reign, get, read, study, travel, visit, win. So decide, is it, well, in this case it's affirmative, number 2 is negative, number 3 is a question, number 4 is affirmative. So change the form of the verb to make it affirmative, negative, or a question. So that's exercise 2. So I'll leave this exercise 1 up on the screen for 1 minute so you can write down the answers, and then it'll change to practice exercise 2, which will be on the screen for another minute. You write down the answers, and then you can move on to step 4 video, in which I'll go through the answers and explain the answers.